Okay, we're going to talk about long division. Oops, my pen's not on. I mean, pressed. Okay, what is long division? Well, long division is a standard way to divide a thing, which is just grouping one group into smaller groups. So if I were to want to do the long division way of dividing numbers, let's say we have the number 385 divided by 2. Do a simple one like this. This is how we write it out. We write this little hooky thingy, and then we write this little platform like this to start off our long division. This is how you standardly do it. And then you go from place to place. Well, you start right here. We start with the 2, and we see how many times it can go into this 3, into this hundreds place right here, the place closest to the 2. And that's once. And then we put it right here. The amount of times we put right there. And after that, we put 2 times that number, or 2 times 1, right there. And then we subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, so we put it right here. Once we've done that, since we have more numbers to go right here, we bring this number down to right here. Okay? And then we see how many times 2 can go into this number. Well, 2 can go into 18 9 times. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then we do 2 times 9, which is 18. And then we subtract. 8 minus 0, 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And since we have one last number right here, we bring this number down all the way right here. It's a horrible 5. And then we see how many times 2 can go into 5, or how many times 5 can be divided by 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, and that's as much as we can put into 5. So 2 times 2 is 4. Put 4 right here, and then we put 2 right here, because 5 divided by 2 would be just 2. 2 can go into 5 2 times. And then we subtract 5 from 4, which is 1. And since we have no more numbers, that's it. But we have, the answer is 192 with a remainder of 1. That 1 is the remainder. Which means that if we were to multiply 192 by 2, we would get 384. It would be missing by just 1. And that's the standard long division process. That's how you do standard long division. Goodbye and good night. Same school.